Hey guys, what is up? It is Cal here. You thought I was gonna be silent because it's 3:20 a.m. Well, no, and today we're doing a jailbreak video. So, let's get into the video. So, let's load it. Anyway, so we gotta be a prisoner. Good people are prisoners. We're a good person. I think we're a good person, at least. I'm not sure what we do, but all I know is we're a good person. We're super nice to people. This is how we're nice to people. Give me all your money. This is how I got in jail. Give me all your money. We're all beating him up. Even the snowman is also beating someone up. Anyway, as I was saying, today we're going to be playing some jailbreak. So, yeah, I guess we can start playing. Let's see. There's lots of cops. Barely any of them are at the prison, so it's going to be hard to get a key card. Aha, there's one. Oh, oopsies. I was looking at it like to find a cop. Sadly, I didn't see. Can I get a key? Can I get a key from you, please? I want a key. Ow! 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 Stop. No. All I wanted was a key, but my family members said key cards were bad unless you were an actual police. Sadly, I'm not an actual police. Wait, someone has a key. Let me out. Someone has... Wait. Don't get arrested. Come on, sit with me, Bacon. You thought I was dumb! Ha! Ow, wait! Welp. People are like, cops suck, blah, 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 blah. Let the cops do their job. Or we do a horrible job at escaping. Yay, another cow, yay. No, don't go without me. What the frick did this dude just do? You let me in now. Oh, people have keys, this is perfect. I swapped servers with the less amount of cops because it would make it a harder challenge. And, why is this? I think I can, I'll tell him to use my head. Just let him use my head. Eat. Someone use my head. Wasted. Dude, Bacon Hair just let us in. Bacon Hair. Okay, now we just somehow have to get out of here and get these cops so we can get a key. Did you drop a key? No key dropped. Dude. He's still up. Whoever else has a gun, kill him. He's behind a wall. Any key. No key. I want a key. Give me the key now. If you don't give me the key now, give me the key. I want the... Ooh, he's gonna open it for us. No! Hey! I might just gotta wait for another cop to spawn in. Because our life sucks. We're stuck in the... No, we're not. We're ready to kill people. Ha. I got his key. I think I got his key. Yeah, yes, I got his key. Let's go, guys. Let's get out of here, yo. Yeet. We got the key. Train. Oh, cops are copying on to us. They're saying, train, you shouldn't go near the train, or else you're stupid. Okay, let's head out to the bank or wherever is open. First, let's go to the garage. Let's lock a car. We don't want anyone else getting in our car. I've never gotten a key by myself because, yeah, reasons. Anyway, this video is gonna be really fun to make. Oopsies. Didn't mean to, car. I meant to take it to the garage. Come on. Do as I say. Yeah, good job. I'm being good citizen. I'm a citizen, haven't killed anyone. Haven't been super duper evil. I'm not an evil person who's gonna kill anyone. I'm not like I killed a cop a million times to get this key card. What? I'm saying the truth. Stop it. Stop random things. I don't care about my car anymore. I'm leaving, you stupid car. You betrayed me, stupid car. Uh-oh. Cop came for revenge. Yeah, let's take it as I'm a noob at this game. Oh, no, dude. Seems that I was located to a better prison. Even though this looks pretty easy. Doesn't seem to be any banks in sight, though. You're so rude, cop. Jeez, these cops are always so rude. I'll take it. Yeah, yeet. I'll take the guns. Do as I say now. Cop. You're gonna be trying to tase me? You're gonna be trying to tase me? Or I can just sit here and hope not to be located to another prison. Oh, a guard wants to talk to me. I'm hearing it. Yeah, you want to talk to me? Yeah, you wanted to talk to me? Yeah. You want to talk to me? You guys want to talk to me? Huh? You guys want to talk to... Oh, yeah, boy. Boys, we be getting those guns. Guns. Apparently it's not showing, but I just got the guns. Oh no! And I'm located to another prison. I'd say the jailbreak prison is probably the best prison yet. Why am I keep getting located to different prisons? I want to be hostile. I will punch as many people as I want. This prison seems so easy. I can't move. Nope. Nope. See ya, suckers! This is the worst prison that I have ever escaped. See ya, suckers! I'd say you guys are suckers. Ow, please stop punching me. This is not... Really? Well, I guess if I don't need to, then just play. Then okay, I finally got a job at the police station. So, yeah. Time to, legally kill anybody I want with not getting arrested, because I can kill anyone I want, because I'm the police. Not a true statement. Never kill anyone in your life, guys. Okay, What are you doing? I'm gonna chase my own buddy. Because I don't care about my life. I'm gonna have to arrest you, sir. I really hope you guys enjoyed this weird video. Don't know how to think of it. I really don't know how to think of it, but it was a really weird video to make, and I'm not sure why I keep recording it so it was 2 last record. Now I'm recording at 3 a.m. So sorry about the voice crack or anything. That's even the thing. Anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this weird video. If you guys want me to get YouTuber admin commands in this game, well then there's so many things you have to do, which is what do you think? Well, it is well, you gotta subscribe and hit a like on the video. And also you gotta make sure you know you need to make sure you need to be notified about and never miss a video. How do you click the notification bell, you may ask? Well, you have to hit the subscribe button, then tap the notification bell, or click whatever you're on. So, this was actually a really weird video to make. Not actually sure of what to think of it. No, really, I have no clue of what to think of this game. Not what I did, not this game. But what I did. I'm not sure it's weird or not weird. I think it's fine. And plus, if you guys really want me to do more in prison life and Redwood prison videos, mostly be jailbreak, because I think I'll do a jailbreak video right after this video uploads, I guess. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video.